That's the room we are staying. It's ocean facing S10. That's the room. So let's go and see what's inside. All right, so that's the room. Here we have an entrance. And this is the living area. We have a nice cool leather sofa here with a coffee table. That's the bed. And we also have mosquito net. In the night, sometime if you keep the windows open or the patio door open, then there are chances of getting mosquitoes. So you have a mosquito net to save yourself from the bug bite or the mosquito bite. That's the TV. And we have a very cool stereo system, and the good part about this is it's Bluetooth enabled, so plus for that. And over here we have wardrobe, and now we are going to open bathroom. So that's the bathroom, and you can see from outside. We have two sinks here, and this is the rain shower over there. So yeah, that's the shower. So one thing I want to show very quickly is they have very cool gadgets here. So let's take a look. They have a motion sensor dustbin, which is very cool. And they have mirror that shows time, and also there's a ring light. Now let's go and take a look at the patio. That's the patio. Oops. Right. Here's a jacuzzi cum plunge pool or small pool. And here you have two chairs with a coffee table. That's a quick tour on the room.